AI for digital marketing. What's up, everyone? James here, and that's what I want to talk about today, using AI for digital marketing. And I want to show you guys exactly what that looks like in a realistic sense and how you can get started with it. So, I have some steps here that I'm going to be walking you through. But the first thing is if you want free training on this in depth, more than I'm going to be able to cover in this short YouTube video, head over to bots2023.com and grab the free training. So just put your email in this box and you'll get access to get started. So that's the first step. Um, but then the next thing you're going to want to focus on, and this is what a lot of people miss when it comes to making money online in general, whether you're using AI or doing it manually, is the very first thing you want to focus on is creating an email collecting landing page. So a lot of people get carried away and want to create a big fancy website for their business, but the bottom line is no matter what you sell, whether you have a local business or an online business, whether you're selling services or physical products or digital products, you're going to want to start with what's called an opt in. So I'll show you what that looks like. So before you can even drive traffic, right, which is the next step, drive traffic, and there's several ways you could do that. We'll get into that next. But before you can even bother with driving traffic, you are going to need a way to collect that traffic. So that's where the opt-in comes in. And here's a few that I use. So obviously this is an opt-in here, bots2023.com. Here's a few more that I use. Keywordthief.com. For those of you who have been following me know I promote Chase Reiner's SEO tool called ShineRanker. So this is just a redirect that I set up called keywordthief.com to collect the information of people who are interested in an SEO tool that can steal keywords of other people's websites. So then again, here's another example. This one is contentinstantly.com, and this one gives people 10,000 words of free AI content, again, for just putting their email address in. So one more example here is tubegrower.com. It's the same exact concept. People who want an AI Chrome extension put for YouTube, put their email in this box and get access to it. So that is the first place to start when it comes to making money online. And if you're going to make money online using AI or bots or automation or anything like that, this is the place to start to set up your opt-in. And look at all these pages. They're pretty much identical, right? So it all starts with creating one of these. You can create a page like this in under a half an hour, probably 10 minutes. Realistically, it's a background, less than a paragraph of text, and an email opt-in. So we take a look at the steps here. That's step 2 is to set up your opt-in. Then step 3 is to drive traffic. So now, in order to get people's email addresses, we actually need people seeing these pages, right? So how are we going to do that? Well, there's a couple ways. If you are starting from nothing, starting from scratch, you don't have any money to invest, and what you have is time, I recommend using short form video content. This is uh, largely the way I do all of my advertising. So if you don't have as much time on your hand, but you have more money, then you can use ads. And I do run ads here and there. I experiment with them, but I don't have a huge budget for ads personally, so I specialize in this one, short form video content. So I want to show you what that looks like. So we'll come over here to TikTok, right? So remember we set up the opt-in page. Here we have bots2023.com. So here on TikTok, in my TikTok profile, you'll see the same link, bots2023.com, because that's ultimately where we're trying to send people so that we can get their email address. And I'll go into more details on why getting their email address is so important shortly. But here we go. Here we have the TikTok profile. We have the website that we're trying to send people to. And now we have content getting thousands of views on videos. This one has 21,000, 36,000. This one has 25,000. And this one right here, I'm literally talking about one of the bots that we cover at bots2023.com. You can see me pointing at the URL right there, pointing at this website, telling people to, hey, go here, put your email address in at bots2023.com. So that's short form video. And again, inside the training that you can grab for free, you'll get more information on how to actually create these videos that get attention and get thousands of views. Like I'm showing you here, there is a little bit of a science to it, but it's not something difficult. It's not rocket science. Pretty much anyone who can follow the training can hit the ground running and get started with it. So, and we're still all in the manual process, right? We haven't even gotten to the automation and the AI, which is why I wanted to make this video, because a lot of people are quick to just sign up for the latest tool. They think, oh, if I just go pay $20 or $50 or $100 a month or $500 a month for this AI digital marketing tool, all of my problems are going to be solved, and I'll just let the tool do the work and the money will start rolling in. And that's not always realistic. So what a lot of people find out once they get their AI digital marketing tools is that they really have no idea what they're doing when it comes to actually making money online. And I'll lump myself into this same process. I've been here on YouTube for 3 years making money online, and like everybody, I always want to make more, and so that's what I'm learning here inside of the training at bots2023.com, and that's what I'm sharing a small slice of with you here in this video. Now obviously I can't cover everything, so like I said, make sure you grab the free training while it's still available at bots2023.com. And we'll continue with the process here. So after you've driven the traffic, right, after you've created the videos that I'm showing you here, you've gotten a bunch of traffic, you've gotten people going to your opt-in page, giving you their email address. Now the next step is to follow up with these people via email, right? Because on social media, your account might get deleted, the video might get deleted, they might delete their account, they might unfriend you, they might unfollow you, they might have never followed you at all. So just because they see one email, or one of your videos rather, here on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or wherever you're posting this content, right? Just because somebody sees one of these videos doesn't mean that they're going to see your content again. So if you want them to continue seeing your content on a regular basis and continue seeing, more importantly, the links and or products or services that make you money, you're going to need to follow up with them. So you can either do this manually, which is just sending an email off once a day or twice a day to everybody on your email list, or you can automate this with a sequence. And again, if you are interested in the automation side, head over to bots2023.com, because that is out of the scope of what I can cover in this video. But then the next process would be to optimize your sales funnel. And so a lot of people think of a sales funnel as just a landing page. They think this is it, this and whatever's on the next page is their sales funnel. But the way I want you to think about this, if you want to be successful, is your sales funnel is this whole process. It starts with driving traffic, right? Even though we set this up first, we set up the email collecting landing page or the opt-in, we set that up first. It all starts here because you're going to drive the traffic, whether it's with a short form video or with an ad. You're going to get people's attention. You're going to send them up here to the email collecting landing page, and then you're going to be sending them emails trying to sell your products. So that's the whole sales funnel, and this is what you need to optimize. It starts here on one of these pages. You want to make sure that these words are actually what people are looking for and cause them to take action and actually give you their email. But then you also want to look at your content, make sure that the content you're posting is doing the same thing, causing people to take action and actually go to this link and give you their email, versus just watch your video and continue scrolling, or maybe they watch your video and they follow you and then that's it. But what you want them to do is to go to your website, enter their email, take action so that you can follow up with them and actually make a sale. So only after you've done all of these steps that I've showed you so far in this video, only after you've done all that, that's when you want to start automating and scaling with bots, and that's when AI can help you. So again, if you want more information about that, I highly recommend going to bots2023.com. But whether you're going to use an AI content writer, like I said, you can check it out at contentinstantly.com if you just want to go check it out on your own and play around with it. Or you want to use AI video software, or you want to use AI SEO software, whichever it is, none of it's really going to help you until you've mastered this process up here. So I'm trying to save you the money of just buying every tool under the sun without really knowing what you're doing, and show you a proven process that dozens, if not hundreds of people are already having success with. And that's the process at bots2023.com. So I hope this helps, and I will catch you on the next video.